Good morning, friends, and happy rainy day Thursday. Why of all days did I pick this day to go out? I was supposed to have a lunch date today with London. Sorry, I was just down at Promise's, or in front of Promise's house. Anywho, start over. Let's start that one over. Okay, so, hey. Okay, so I was supposed to have lunch with London today. We were gonna meet at Olive Garden, visit for a little while, have some lunch, chit chat, and maybe run into a few stores just to see other fall decorations and just kind of catch up. I haven't seen her in a little while. Both of us have been extremely busy. I know that she was in California for a little bit and with her husband and visiting friends and family, and then of course I've been busy with guests at my house. We were on vacation, and then we went to Savannah again. It's just, we've both been busy. But anyway, she had to cancel this morning because her little guy jammed his finger or his thumb, she said, and she's gonna go get that checked out because it seems to be hurting him really badly. So well wishes for London's little guy, and hoping that he's okay, because I know that he's in football and stuff, and I'm not sure if that's gonna slow his practicing down or not, or being able to play. But anyway, I'm still gonna go out today though and get my stuff done, do some things that I needed to do. First things first, I have to drop off this box at my P.O. box. My cousin, Sarah, I did not know that she's the one who just purchased 2 shirts from me on my Posh Market, which thank you so much, Sarah. I didn't realize it until well, because like her name didn't show up. It just said it had like a different name, like abbreviation type of thing, on the sale on the Posh. And then when Brian printed off the labels for it, I just had them on the counter last night and didn't even look. And then when I was putting the label on the box this morning and just kind of making sure that everything matched up the right way, it was her. I'm like, oh my gosh, Sarah. But thank you so much, Miss Sarah, for ordering or for purchasing those shirts from me. I hope that you enjoy them. The red and white polka dot one is brand new, still have the tags on it. So I hope that you enjoy those. They'll look really cute with a little cardigan. So I'm gonna drop those off, and then I'm gonna go into the post office and pick up another form for our passports. I have to fill out that information again because I scribbled on the one that I have and my battery's dying. Anyway, I scribbled on the one that I have, and I've heard that they don't like scribbles. So, and then I have to get Brian a different one because he already has a passport, and I just have to get him a renewal passport form. So I have to fill all that stuff out. And then my passport appointment is on Monday. So I have an appointment on Monday to get all of my stuff taken care of for my passport. And then I'll make an appointment for Brian to get his done one day next week. So we will be on our way getting our passports done, that process, which is great. Let me go ahead and drive in this rain, change my battery, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. And I'll tell you a little bit more about this little cardigan that I have on right now, which I'm actually loving. All right, so I'm waiting in line at Starbucks. It's one of those days where it's just kind of like, it's raining, it's cloudy, it's 71 degrees outside. It just kind of feels like fall, and I want a coffee today. Or do you guys consider those coffees? I consider them coffees. It's just a very expensive coffee. I like them. Anywho, ordered my same old regular. Anyway, so I'm gonna tell you guys about this cardigan. This is the same cardigan, very similar to the one that I had on a couple of weeks ago. Same thing, I ordered it from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys. Again, this thing is amazing. It is soft. It is not as long as the other one, and this one is actually long sleeve, so you guys can see it goes all the way down to my wrist or whatever. But it's just very lightweight. I have like a sundress on today, a black sundress, and because it's raining and kind of yucky, and I'm going to be kind of going in and out, and I have the air on in the car, it's a little bit chilly, so it's not like as hot outside, but I'll still like get as hot. I'll still get hot because like I have my own personal summer every 20 minutes. But I'll end up taking it off sometime, or like while I'm in the store or whatever, if I get super hot. But like right now it's just nice. It's soft, it's cozy, and it's I like it. I just think it looks really pretty, especially like with this black dress. It just worked. It just worked. Ooh. Little unicorns. This thing is $7.50. Isn't this the cutest little unicorn? He's so cute and fluffy.
I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now?
Okay guys, so I never go into the Dollar Tree. That's just something I don't normally do. Nothing against the Dollar Tree, it just doesn't ever, I don't know, I just never find anything that I need in there. But I mean, I have been in there before. Okay, just never mind. I'm at the Dollar Tree. So I'm actually going in here because I want to see what kind of like small travel things that they have. I'm actually starting to stock up on my travel necessities for our cruise. I've ordered quite a few things on Amazon, which those should be coming in any day now. And I just kind of want to put everything aside and keep it, you know, in a little secluded area, knowing that that is cruise specific travel necessities for the cruise only. And I know that I can go in here and find Wrinkle Spray, which I never actually thought of bringing Wrinkle Spray before on a trip, and sometimes our clothes get kind of wrinkly. And a lot of cruise videos that I've been watching suggest that you bring you know, a little spray for wrinkle free stuff or whatever. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna see what they have as far as travel stuff. And yeah, so I thought I would take you guys along. So let's go do that. I also went to Bath and Body Works earlier, so I will have a haul up for you guys sometime soon. But for now, let's go into the Dollar Tree and see what we can find. So these pop-up hampers is one of the things that was suggested on one of the YouTube channels that I was watching. So I'm gonna grab one of these. These are obviously really nice because you can just pop these up and they're supposed to just stand up right in the closet of the ship in your room, and you can put all your dirty clothes in here. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Okay, these things were also suggested, little travel bottles. This one has a spray in it, which I don't think I'm gonna need a spray. And these ones just have these. I don't really know if I'm gonna need those or not, but I will get these just in case. I don't think we're gonna need them. I'm just gonna bring my regular size stuff. Alrighty guys, so hey, I'm back and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up at the Dollar Tree, same thing. These are cruise specific items that I'm going to be using and taking on the cruise. This is the stuff that I found is what I've been watching on YouTube videos and people suggesting that you bring. So this is just that. First things first, I also wanted to say I'm going to actually do another video of all of the stuff once I get all of it together, because I still, like I said, I'm ordering things off of Amazon and still just trying to figure out exactly what I need and what to bring and all that good stuff. So I will do a separate like video, sit down video, and share all of that stuff with you guys. I just kind of wanted to show you guys just a little bit of the stuff that I picked up today at the Dollar Tree. These things are going to be with us on the cruise. We will be taking these. So when you guys go to watch the video of all of the stuff that I have, it's probably gonna be repetitive. You'll recognize some of this stuff. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and that video will probably be up over on my other channel, which is Adventures in Wonderland. So if you guys are not subscribed to that channel yet, go over there and do it. It's Adventures in Wonderland. Just type it in and you can find it. So let's go ahead and get started with some of the stuff that I am going to be taking with us. Okay, so first things first, I actually wanted to just get a notebook, just a small, simple notebook. This is a real simple notebook, very small. You can see it's like the size of my hand. I actually want to start taking some notes. I want to write down some stuff in here. I want to write down a list of essentials that we are going to need, stuff that I've already missed, stuff that I've already got, etc., etc. I also want to write down information about each port that we are going to be going to, as far as like activities, things to do, prices of each excursion, that type of thing I want to have in here. There's other things I probably want to write down in here as well. I don't remember, but I will figure it out. But this is something that I'm going to keep. It's going to be cruise specific notebook only. I picked up this little container here. This is going to house all of my cruise specific materials that I'm going to be using or needing for our trip. This is not going to go with us, but this is just going to house all of this stuff. before we leave. Alrighty, so this is another thing that I picked up, was a small first aid kit. It's very, very small. Obviously, there's only like Band-Aids in here and alcohol. Obviously, there's 21 items in here. Very well made that I need to bring a little bit more extra stuff, which I probably will. But this is going to go in probably one of my little pouches that I'm going to be bringing with us. But I just thought I would have a nice, new, fresh first aid kit to take with us. And this is always a good thing to have on hand anyway when you're traveling. I've also heard that on cruises, this stuff could be quite pricey, and it's best that you bring the stuff with you to have it just in case, because you just never know. Another suggestion I heard from I think it's cruisetipstv.com, or excuse me, Cruise Tips TV on YouTube. She actually said that they bring their own pump soap for the bathroom, even though they do give you soaps in the bathroom. She just prefers to have her own soap pump. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this. I picked this up. This was, again, this is Dial. It's a coconut mango water. So I just thought that's going to go with us. Another thing that I picked up, which I've seen, I probably should have picked up a couple more of these, but these are just those collapsible storage containers. And as you can see, this one, it just opens up really nicely to store things in the cabinets or the drawers, specifically the cabinets in your stateroom, just to house things that you know, maybe grab and go things that you need to take in and out of your room with you. So I'm going to take this with us just in case. Obviously, she thought that she needed it and it worked great for her things. So I'm going to take this with us. I need to put that down the bottom. And then I've also seen that they, a lot of people are using these pop-up hampers in their rooms as well. They just kind of put it in their closet, throw their dirty clothes in here. So I picked up one of these pop-up, it's a mesh little pop-up hamper. So I'm gonna bring this. This is gonna go in our closet in our stateroom. Another thing that I was told or noticed, that they said to bring like a pouch. This is something to keep all of your personal documents in, like your passport, your birth certificate, ship information, all of this good stuff, just to keep this even in your backpack. That way you can just quickly whip it out. You know exactly where everything is at, and you don't have to continue to search for it. So I got this one. I'm actually going to purchase another thing that I can put inside of here, because this is just, let's see, I don't know if it's probably not like waterproof or anything like that. So I'm gonna find like a plastic container that I can actually fit inside of this one as well, that it will fit and fold all of my documents safely and securely. But I've heard that this is a good thing to have, so I went ahead and purchased that. And then lastly, I picked this up. Now, I've seen a lot, I've been watching a lot of videos on cruises, and they've been doing like room tours, bathroom tours, and I see that they have like little plastic cups that they're using to put like their toiletries in and stuff like that. Well, even though this thing is, it's really small, it'll probably fit perfectly in our suitcase, so I'm not really worried about how big it is or whatever. But I just kind of thought this would be a perfect thing for us to put our toothbrushes in, our toothpaste in, maybe a razor here or something like that. Just a quick grab and go things on top of the little shelves that they provide in your bathroom. So I just thought this would be a really good thing to have. It's really small and tiny. Again, I just thought I'm going to give it a whirl. I don't think it's going to cause any problems whatsoever. So I think it'll be a great addition instead of using like a plastic cup. So both of our toothbrushes can fit in there, toothpaste, maybe our, we can put our mouthwash in here, that type of thing. So I think that's going to work out really, really well. And that's it for my little like dollar, is that the Dollar Tree? Is that where I went? Yeah, Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree stuff for my cruise. Yeah, so, and the more stuff that I get, I'm gonna do like I said, a big video and sit down with you guys and show you guys all of that stuff eventually, once I get all of it, that I need. Alrighty, so I'm home. I'm gonna make some lunch. We made tacos last night, and so I'm gonna have a taco for lunch. I have a Bath & Body Works haul that I'm gonna be working on as well. So I gotta go charge that battery so I can get that video done. I have a couple of other videos that I wanna get done for you guys. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go have lunch. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alrighty guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog for today. We are gonna be going out to dinner with some of our neighbors this evening, so I want to go ahead and get this up and edited. I actually just filmed a video, a Bath and Body Works haul, so I'll be looking forward to that. That should be coming up, I don't know, in the next couple of days or so. And yeah, so I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna get these edited, I'm gonna have them put up. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in Wonderland. Bye.